Well, hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we
yeah.
are going to start table. What is this exactly? So let me make it, this is the table actually. Whatever record you are saying. So this is the table only. What? This is the table. How you can identify whenever you are going to move for the table. So the design tab it will come. So it's going to tell this is the table. So don't just based on the formatting. So okay, formatting is happening something like this. So you are going to tell ki, okay, it's the table. No. So we can do manually also. We can make it bold. We can give the something different background color, and we can we can do the color for the like alternate rows also we can do. Correct? Coloring part we can do
Mhm.
for the alternate row. So what you have to do? So let me first remove the table from here. So now it's not table. How you can say it's not table? There is no design tab. Is there any design tab?
No.
No. So it's look like table or not?
Yeah.
If I'm going to apply the filter, it's look like table, but it's not table. What? It's not table.
It's
It's
not
only the normal data where we apply the filter option. And you know what? How to apply the filter options? Correct or not? So Control
Yep.
Shift L to remove Control Shift L itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all the properties. I'm going to make it what? Normal to this bold and I'm going to unbold. Correct? So now this is normal data. What? Normal table. Normal data only. Okay? We don't have anything with this. So what we are going to do, we are going to make and we are going to create the table. So what is the shortcut here? The shortcut is Control L or Control T. Long cut is go to the insert tab, and here table option is here. We have to click on it. It's telling what is your
Mhm.
range, where you want to create the table. So while creating table is asking one thing, whether that table has header or not. If has header, we have to select. If it's not, then we have to unselect. So our table has header, yes, exactly. Has header, correct? We
Okay.
have to click on it. Yeah, it came now, the table. Control Z. I'm going to use the shortcut Control and T. So it's going to have the same pop-up, whatever dialog box earlier it was asking, same dialog box is going to ask. So where is your range? This is my range, and that range have a header. Yes, exactly has a header. We have to click on it. So by default, it will come like this. Okay. So we are not required to worry about it by default.
Okay. Okay.
This style is coming in table form. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So now we are going to discuss more about this all the options. So first of all, in design tab, before that I want to tell you here, the filter option is there or not, along with the table.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
It is
so
there.
it will be available by default. Whenever you are going to create the table for that
Mhm.
range, you are going to convert that range into the table. So along with that, the table, it will come the filter options also will come.
By default.
Yes. So already we discussed about this all the options sorting, filter and all. Just
Yes.
now, correct? We discussed about it. Now we are going to talk about the table. Even this is the optional. If you want to remove, the shortcut is what? Control Shift L. We can remove
Yeah.
the filter option. Now, so we are going to talk about this style, table style. The table style is what? So if you are not happy with this, you can pick any one of these formatting. Correct? Just see. So you can mouse over on it. You can pick. Let's say you are happy with this, you can pick. If you are not happy with this, you can go for this one. You can go for this one. Any one of these you can pick. Clear?
Okay.
Even if you are not happy with this, all whatever predefined are there, then you can define your own. So while defining your own, make sure that you are going to define about this all the things what all are there, and you can give the style name. Let's say you are giving the style name by name of Saurabh.
Okay. On that.
Okay. So we were talking about, let's say if you want to design your own, so you have to specify each and everything here. If you are not going to specify, then it's not going to understand. So whole table, what whole table background color you want. You have to do the for the whole table. You have to do the like property for cell property. like it should be bold and it should be italic, what size it should be, which it should be with underline, what font color it should be. That all the things we have to specify, border related and color related, that all are there, correct? So apart from that, then after this you have to define for this one. So this is you did for the whole table. If you are not going to specify anything, like alter first column is strip and second column is strip or row is strip, that all are there. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
specify one by one, and then only it will be perfect one. So already we have, so why we are going to define all those things, correct? Yeah. So otherwise you can define your own. So you will understand about this all the things, what is this exactly, and why it's required to design while creating your own. Why it's required to design. I will let you know. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
So we are not going to pick any one of these. So we are happy with this color. Okay, no problem at all. We are going to, and we are going to add. Okay? Hope table style you understood. You understand that? Now,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
next one we are going to talk about what, like table style options, what all are available. So first one we are going to talk about the this one filter button. Even that button we can remove from here. Yeah, just see, and we can keep from here also, no problem at all. Or as you know, we have a shortcut for the filter, Control Shift L. If I'm going to press Control Shift L, it's going to work here and it will make this one unselect. It will be not selectable more. So let me press Control Shift L. I'm going to press Control Shift L. This is what going to happen. I'm not going to do here manually. So Control Shift L I did. So that filter got removed and that options also got disabled, got unchecked. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to get it back, so
Okay.
same way Control Shift L, we can use shortcut and it will come. That got checked.
Correct.
Clear, right? Second
Mm-hmm.
thing, filter along with that, the header row, whatever header row are there, if you don't want that style, header row, what is the style for the header row? It will be bold, correct? Header row. It's a bold is there or not? And color is something different.
Yeah.
So whatever like format is defined for the header row, we don't know what format they have done it for the header row. Whatever are there, so it's going to remove. Just see, header row. So if you want to make it visible, so it will be visible. If you don't want to, so it will be it's get removed. So that is for the header only. If you want to make it enable and disable, then you can do. So I'm talking about the first row. Where is the first row? It's not there, right?
Mm-hmm.
First column, last column, okay, and it's not there for the first row. So header part is there. Okay, for this they don't want to see the header part. For the different style, maybe header part will be visible, but formatting will be not there. So it's totally depend on the formatting. What formatting they have done for the header, what formatting they have done on the first column, what formatting they have done on the last column. Correct? So let's say here banded row are there. So if you don't want to see banded row means what? Alternate row are colored or highlighted. Alternate row. Correct? If you don't want to see, you can remove it off. The see got removed. That banded row. And if you want to get it back, so you have to select it here. It will come back.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? This
Okay.
is for the banded
Bandit
row.
rules.
And if you don't want to see they have defined somewhere in banded row. Okay. Because of that
Mm-hmm.
reason, this options is available, right? In this
Correct.
format,
Yeah.
this options is available. They have defined for the banded row. If you're not happy with this, you can use the banded column. Now it's coming banded column. The first column and second column without formatting, and third column with formatting, and fourth column without formatting. Banded row. If you don't want to with the column also, you can remove it here. So that's the reason if you are going to define your own, so here you have to tell what will be the first row strip and second row strip. This one is going to work as what? As a banded rows. Whatever you are going to define for this strip. Clear, right?
Okay.
And for what format you want to go, you want to define for the header row.
Header.
What format you want to define for the first column and last column. So whatever design you have defined for this last column, so that one will appear while making selected and unselected. So what, let's say you are going to define something bold, background color it should be red. for the last column. When we are going to check this one, then that property whatever we are going to define for this, it will be applicable, it will be visible. So I'm going to use the random one, correct, what already defined one. So I'm going to use this one, correct, banded row. So now I'm going to do, pick the first column. So for this, what they have designed for the first column, they have make it bold. They have not done the any formatting for first row, first column, except that making bold, except the font bold. That's it. But
Mhm.
if you are going for something else, like this is the one. So what formatting they have designed for the first row? They have designed something like this, and we can remove it off. So when we are going to click on the first column, it should be visible. So what they have make the background something different color, and font color they have make it something white. Correct or not?
Mhm.
So
Okay.
whatever
Yeah.
style, whatever design they have, we have to, and based on that it's going to work. So for the last column, whatever they have designed, so it will come. For the last column also, they have designed like this. Okay, it should be cell color is something different, and the font color it should be white, and it should be in bold. I think it's a bold only, right? No, not bold. It's a white, and but size and all maybe it's the same or something different. Clear? So and along with that, if you want to keep the first column, you can keep the first column also.
Okay.
Yeah. And banded row also you want to, along with the banded column, you can select this one. So
So
like this is,
alternate.
yeah, so this is the one, all are coming together. So if you don't want, you can remove this all the thing. And now the total row. So total row as of now is not enabled. And one row it will come on bottom. It will tell how many row are there, how many records are there for this. So you can select this one. So one row is coming here, correct? This is total. It's
Mhm.
coming by default. If you want to keep the total, so what it's going to do is going to count. Count function is going to work. And for here, you can apply any one of these. So count will be perfect one. For this one, the sum if you want or max value you want, you can click on it. The max is this. Average if you want, you can average is this one. And if you want like a sum of this value, so this is the sum of this value. Hope is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clear.
So this is related to what? Related to the total row. If you don't want to see, you can unselect. If you want to see, you can select it. So this
Okay.
is related to the table. Okay, table style options, what all are there. And this is the table
Mhm.
style which I finished now. And second things, next one, what I'm telling you, let's say this one got created, right, as a table. This data got created as a table, right? And now,
Okay.
what is the name of this table? Table 3. What? What is the name of this table?
Table three.
Table 3. So
Table three.
when
Yeah.
I was taking the class for the like a cell references, name reference,
Yes. Yes.
name range,
Name
right?
reference.
Yeah. So on that time I told you, okay, you have to give something and like naming convention it should be. That name, it should be something
Mhm.
like naming convention.
Name
Okay.
range or table.
Yes. So it's a table, then you have to define like TBL and then what table? Let's say this is the attendance table, or you can say this is the salary table. What? Salary. So we given the name here, salary table. Let's say if you're working somewhere else and you want to reach to the salary table, you have to click on it. It's showing here. Okay, salary table you want to reach, here you can. So it's reaching to the salary table. Clear, right?
Mhm.
So two things which will appear here. Whatever name range you have defined and whatever table are there in your sheet, in your Excel file. So those will appear here. So you can keep. And if you are not giving the name for this table, so then how you are going to identify whether it's a name? Let's say you given the name as a salary. What? As a salary for this table. And for one name range you have and you given the same name, salary. So how
Mhm.
you are going to identify which is the table and which is the name range? Bit difficult, you can't identify. Correct or not?
Correct.
So that's
Yeah.
the reason naming convention it's important to do. So you can prefix with something. So for me, I'm going to prefix the TBL underscore. If I'm going to create the table, then I'm going to use the suffix with what? prefix with what? TBL underscore. If I am going to use the name range, then I am going to prefix with MR underscore. MR means name range underscore.
Name
For
range.
my
Yeah.
identification purpose. Okay, whenever we are going to identify, so it's going to be the written like that. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Correct.
So these many things are there. This is related to table now. And let's say if you are not happy with this table range and you want to remove the last one. You don't want to keep the source name here along with this table. You want to keep this record to the side. It should not include in this table. So then what you can do, you can resize it. It's giving whatever formatting, whatever things you did, that's awesome. But if you want to keep, otherwise you have to remove the filter, table formatting, and then you have to apply with the you have to do from the beginning itself. Okay? Or you can resize it from here itself. Instead of H, you can use the G. I want to use till G column. Okay? That's it. Now this record, this range is converted into the table, and this one is behaving as a normal table, normal data. Correct or not? There is no design
Yeah.
type for this. Is there any design type for this record? This column?
No.
No. There is no design type. And as soon we are going to reach to this cell, beside cell, is telling okay, this is the table one, and here this many properties are available. Done?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So resize again. I am going to do till h. Okay. This is the you can resize at the runtime. And another one here, like the duplicate, we are going to talk. What duplicate? So, is there any record which is the duplicate? Let's say I'm giving here Saurabh, and here also we have a Saurabh.
Mm-hmm.
So, Saurabh and Saurabh both are duplicate or not?
Duplicate. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. But you know what? Your serial number is something different, and this is the something different. So doesn't mean कि Saurabh only one Saurabh are available. So by this name, many others are like many name this one, many person are there, right? With this name, Saurabh is there, Saurabh Kumar, Saurabh Dubey, Saurabh Singh. This many name are there. So if you want to identify this record and this record are duplicate by name only, then you have to it will be the duplicate record. And if you are going to identify with this name along with the serial number, okay, if this Saurabh serial number is 30 and for this Saurabh if serial number is 30, then both are same, both are not different person, both are same person only if serial
Person.
number are same. So
Mm-hmm.
how you are going to do identify? How you are going to identify? Let's say this is the DOB. DOB. Okay, your DOB is this, and for this Saurabh is DOB something different, which is 88. Okay, and for this Saurabh is DOB something different,
Mm-hmm.
858. Correct. So now what I am going to do, I am going to remove the duplicate. So it's telling you how you want to remove. It should check all the records. If all records are same, then it's going to delete duplicate record. So I'm not going to check all the records. I'm going to check only by name only. I want to. If name are same, then you have to tell it's a duplicate. What? Then it's a duplicate. So there are one record Saurabh and Saurabh, which which is going to identify as a duplicate. Let me click on it. See, one duplicate value found. Okay, and removed out of this thing.
Mm-hmm.
But remove the second one. What remove? Right? The duplicate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I did control Z. Now, next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to identify by name with their DOB. If either this Saurabh DOB is this and this Saurabh DOB is same or not. If both Saurabh DOB are same, so we can identify okay, maybe these two records are same. Okay, let's delete it. So now I'm going to do behalf of what? Not behalf of all, only the name and DOB. Correct what? Name and DOB. So let me
Mm-hmm.
click on OK. So both DOB are same or different? Different. So it's going to say what? There is no duplicate record.
Mm-hmm.
No duplicate
No
value found.
duplicate values. Yeah.
Yes. If this sort of DOB and this sort of DOB are same, then it's going to tell what? Okay, both are duplicate. Okay, because this person bought on 5th August and this person also. So then they are going to say what is a duplicate. Correct?
Correct.
So,
Yeah.
so we are going to do here duplicate. We have to remove. DOB is same, name is also same. So it should delete. So got deleted only one. Okay.
Mhm.
So is there any possibilities to like on the same day? Okay. Uh, this by name. I know we can what I'm trying to say. Same day. Okay. Someone born and name is Saurabh itself. It can happen or not? It can happen, correct? On same
Correct.
DOP,
Yeah.
okay, we have one another Saurabh and this is another Saurabh. But okay, it can be acceptable. But their mobile number it will be the same. Maybe this Saurabh born in UP and this Saurabh born in Odisha on the same date. Clear? On the same date.
Mhm.
But both Saurabh are same. No, if you are going
No.
to because
Trade off.
this Saurabh from UP, this Saurabh from the Odisha, and they born on the same date only, on 5th August and
Yes.
5th August. So if you are going to identify with the DOB and name, then both are not same, both are a different one, but it's going to consider what both are same. So it's going to remove this one. So I am going to identify with the mobile number also. If their mobile number if same, then you have to delete. If their mobile number is same, then you have to delete because here. So now we are going to identify with these three. So these three record are duplicate or different one?
Different one.
Different one. So if you are going to identify with three records, then it's going to can identify the three. If it's there, then we can say what whether it's duplicate or not. So DOB name and mobile number. So there is no duplicate record. If their mobile number also are same, then we can say okay, this person records are duplicate. Then it's going to remove. Hope it's clear, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Then it's going to remove. You see one duplicate record found got removed now. And if you are going to duplicate, we are going to identify duplicate with all the records should be same. Then only we are going to consider it's a duplicate. If same records, all records are same, then we are going to say what duplicate. Then only is going to remove. So there is no record which are each and everything are same. So what I am going to do, I am going to copy this records and I am going to paste to this. So now each and everything are same or not?
Mhm.
Yeah, this record is similar to this Saurabh or not? Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Their
Everything is
serial
same.
number, their DOP, their name, their mobile number, their program. But this person came from Sulekha, Sulekha, and this person came from Overphone. Correct? Sulekha and Overphone. So both are same. If you are going to compare all columns, no, both are not same. Correct or not? Even each and every records are same, but the sources are different. This source is from Sulekha, this source from what? Overflow. So both are not like a same, both are a different. If you are going to identify with all the records, the see, there is no duplicate. And if I am going to make it here, not from the sources, select all, not source, just going to remove one record. What remove? Hope is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we are going to talk about the how we can make it in normal form to this table. That's very easy. Okay, but if you are going to do, if you are not knowing about it, very difficult. Right click on it. Table option is there. Convert to range. What? Convert to range. If it's a table, then table option it will come. You can convert. This is the one option. It will come in normal form and along with the formatting, whatever formatting are there. So it will come normal form, but along with the formatting it will come. Either we can do from here. Let's see, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes, I want to do. So as soon you are going to click, so with the format it's coming, but it's became a normal data. What? It's not table. It's the only range. It's a table, whatever we have. Clear? So
Mhm.
yeah. So
Correct.
this is how you can say it's not table because there is no design tag.
It is same tab is
Yes,
not convert.
exactly. And whatever table we have defined got removed from here.
Mhm.
Correct or not? There is no table. How to create? That's very simple. Control T. Control T. Define is asking yes, my data has header yes. So same design I've done, whatever I do. Done, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? I'm selecting something different. You see, it's not working.
Mm.
For few is working, but for few is not working. What is the issue? Why is not selecting my style and all?
Because we changed it to range.
No, it's changed to the range, but now
Yeah,
again I'm making it table.
again change it
This
to
is a
table.
table one only. So why it's not
Mm-hmm.
working? Why this all got disabled? Why? Why it's not working? I want to pick any one of these. I want to pick, let's say I want to pick this one. This yellow format. It's look good. I want to pick this one. So it's not working because okay, it's working.
Mm-hmm.
What? It's working. But the problem is, so when you are making it normal format to the table, so on that time whatever background color was there, still
Mm-hmm.
that background color is existing to this table, to that range. So we have to remove the background color of that range, whatever are there. So we have to make it null, no field. Now this is
Okay.
got it?
Okay, because we were playing around with the colors thing,
No, yes,
banded rows
exactly.
and all.
No, when we are going to convert it into the something different table, what? Let me, you know,
Okay.
we are going to make it normal range. So it's became normal range
These
now.
become colors now. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and its color is there, background color is there. So
And that is
because
not a
of
table
this,
property. Okay.
yeah, and if you are going to create a table, table got created, but the thing is, whatever format we are going to select, for that format is not working because of what? So we did the coloring part, background color manually also. Okay, so we have to
Mm-hmm.
remove that background color so that it will work. Now it's working fine. The design tab, right? Just see here, we can pick any one of these. Done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. For me, it was like a challenge when I was new to this. So you have to remove the background color whatever it was there from alias, then only it will applicable the table color. So first priority is giving whatever color we are giving manually, and second priority is giving to the table. Let's say you want to make it red color, so you can go here and you can make it red color. Font red is became, but this red color from where is coming? Not because if you want to see the individual, we can select individual. Filter from button, it will is got deleted. Okay. Now if you want to keep that slicer once again, you have to go here and go to the slicer, and what was the slicer based on the source, we have to click on it. So it's coming with the default one, whatever was default. New slicer got created. Whatever slicer we did the formatting, button size, but column width, that button width and height, that got removed. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
So that name also got removed. For this slicer, it's a new slicer. So what we want to do, we want to give the name to source filter. What name we want to give? FIL, okay. Source filter, and that this became source filter. And what we want this format for this filter. And I don't want to delete this one. What? I don't want to delete this slicer. Then what we can do, we can go to the selection pane and we can make it hide.
Okay.
Correct? We can make it hide. So we can make it visible. So it's a visible now, this slicer.
Mm-hmm.
So later if you want to use, so okay, we can visible. We can make it visible. See that slicer is not there. That slicer is visible now? No. If I am going to create one more slicer here by
Okay.
name of name, so one slicer got created here. But I want to keep that slicer whatever we have created for the source, then we have to go to the selection pane and we have to make it enable that slicer key. So whatever formatting we did, whatever things we did for that slicer, still
Mm-hmm.
that things are there with
Intact.
this slicer. Correct or
Yeah.
not? And if
Yeah.
you want to remove permanently, then you can press the delete button. So it will get removed. Done, right?
Yeah, yeah, done.
Yeah. So this is what related to the
Slicer.
source, okay, filter. And now we can do the filter along with the source. Let's say I told you, right, from the
Mm,
Suleika, how many are there? From the Urban Pro, this many are there. So, or from the Uber and from the Suleika, what all are there? So this many records are there, and out of this record, I want to see those record by name of Saurabh. So there is one record
okay.
by name of Saurabh. This is one. So these two slicer also we can work along with this.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from the Saurabh, we want to give the like Ganesh also we have to select. So Saurabh and Ganesh. So for these two sources, Overphone and Sulekha, this many which are highlighted now, this many records are available. Inside what? Inside the Overphone and Sulekha filter. And out of this, which one you want to make it enable, you have to click on it. So it will be visible. And if you want to click, if you want to select the multiple, then you have to take the help of the control key and like Arun and Rajni. So this is coming Arun and Rajni. And I am going to keep the Ganesh record also along with these two. So then we have to click on control and click on Ganesh.
Mm-hmm.
Done. And if
Okay.
you want to remove the filter, just click on it, got removed. So these many records are there based on this. And if you want to do based on the Urban Pro, so these many names are there. Out of this, which one you want to keep? The Mohit and Mohit Kumar, you can keep Mohit and Mohit Kumar. So
Mm-hmm.
in Urban Pro, four record are there. Harish, Sinus, Mohit and Mohit Kumar. Which one you want to
Mm.
keep, you have to select. Okay, if you want to
Right.
keep the multiple, so you can take the help of the control key. Clear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say,
Clear here. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, here. Now, what I want to use the slicer, which is like a, related to the Urban Pro. Where is that slicer? How can I pick that slicer? How can I pick that slicer? That slicer got
Which?
it. That filter, source filter slicer.
Yeah, we can click on one slicer.
Yeah, I am clicking on that. So I'm not
Yeah.
getting. That is the slicer is there beside to this slicer.
Uh-huh.
Just behind to this slicer is there. Either we have to
Just
remove like this.
you just move it. Yeah, move it. Yeah.
Yeah, then only we can do. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
And
Right.
if I'm not if I'm telling you no, don't change the places for this. I want to
Okay.
keep this slicer there itself. I'm not telling
Mm-hmm.
you okay to change the position of this two slicer. The position it should be the same. It should not change. How
Okay.
you are going to do? Then we have one more option here. This is the word bring
Bring
backward
forward.
and send backward. Bring forward
Okay.
and send backward. So this is on forward now. So I can send backwards. So whatever slicer is there, it will come up and this slicer will go backward.
Mm-hmm.
This went back and now or this is the slicer. Correct? And it came on up. Got it? And
Yeah.
this one if you want to send it back, then you can send it back. Correct? The new one is coming, this slicer is coming. Or just beside if I'm giving this much space only, then you can identify. So this is the back side or not? The filter, this
Mm-hmm.
one source filter, it's in back side, right?
Yeah.
So which one filter we have selected now? Source filter,
So yeah. Okay. Okay.
correct? The back side
Mhm.
filter is there. So we can bring it towards and up to forward. So just click on it, so it's coming on top. Clear, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And if you want to send back, so we can send back here. Got back. So now this is the new. So how to take it forward and how to take it backward. So you can do like this, send backward. Hope it's clear, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to remove the filter or what all are there and I'm going to delete this option. So this is the related to what? Filter. So this is the slicer. Okay, you can give the name. Setting slicer subsetting is there, not required to enter. The display header, the source name. If you want to change the source name from here, you can change the source name. And that slicer
Mm-hmm.
name, what you want to do, you can pick. And how you want to see that this slicer, ascending order, descending order, that all are there. You can go through it. Fine, right? I want
Okay.
to do okay, Z to it. It should be. So now U it will come first and then like this. So these many settings are there which you can do for the visualizer. Okay,
Okay.
which not required to do.
Radhe, can you just give me 1 minute, please?
Yeah, yeah, sure,
That
sure, sure. No
garbage
problem.
man has come.
No
Just
problem. No
2 minutes.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not required to do much things for the slicer because rarely we are going to use. Okay, not required to do the setting and all, but you should aware about it, right? A to Z and Z to A. Something these all things are there, so you can pick any one of these. Done that?
Yeah.
Okay, just a second, sir.